Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, I will be showing you how to set up Clockify. So the first thing that you need to do is to open google.com and type on the search bar Clockify. And kindly click the first link. And after that, it will be directed us in here. And in order to create an account in Clockify, all we need to do is to click the sign up free, which is located on the upper right corner. Log in if you already have an existing account. And if you already create an account, click login, in which you will fill out the email and the password, or you can continue using your Google account. And after that, you have now been signed in Clockify. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to set up Clockify, that is the easiest way I know. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and see you on our next video.